Hello everyone, today I am going to show you how to customize your scroll bar using CSS. So let's get started. First of all, let's create an index.html file. I am going to put a heading tag with h1 and some p tags of lorem ipsum. Let's create multiple so that we can scroll down. Now open the index.html file using Chrome browser. And here we go. Now create a style.css file where we will put our CSS code. Link the CSS file in the index.html using the link tag. Let's do some basic styling for HTML, body, h1 and p tag. You can skip the video for 10 seconds. Now let's start to style our scroll bar. We will use the webkit function to style the scroll bar as follows. You can pause the video and copy the code. You can use different color of your choice to customize your scroll bar. To use gradient, you can visit cssgradient.io and generate different gradient just selecting the colors. Here you can see the beautiful gradient scroll bar. You can use single color or gradient, it's your choice. Just tweak and play around the code and find whatever is appropriate for you. If you want to see more videos like this, please make sure to subscribe our channel, and if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.